Hey everyone! Welcome back to the BytePhase channel. Today, we're going to show you how to change the language in BytePhase CRM. Click on the user dropdown in the top right corner of your CRM. From the dropdown, select Business Settings. In the Business Information section, click the Edit button. Locate the Region and Currency section. Here you'll find the option to choose your preferred language from a drop-down list. Click Save, and the CRM will automatically update to your selected language. The changes apply immediately. No need to reload. You'll now see all menus, labels, and features in your chosen language, making BytePhase truly inclusive. And that's it. Changing the language in BytePhase CRM is simple and seamless. This is especially helpful for teams across different regions or multilingual environments. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new feature tutorial. Have questions or need help? Drop them in the comments. We're here to support your BytePhase journey.